guys, it's Rachel here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a simple easy smoky eye tutorial. Now if you would like to know how I did this smoky eye that I have right here, then keep on watching. Let's get into the video. First we are going to start off with is primer. The primer that I'm using today is the OXX Studio Express Hydration Primer. I'm just going to take that primer and I'm going to put 3 dots on my face, 1 on each cheek and 1 on the forehead. Once I have done that, I'm just going to take my beauty blender and blend that all in. You can just put a little bit of primer on your hands and just rub it all in. It is completely up to you, but I just prefer to use a beauty blender. Primer is on. Now I'm going to go in with some foundation. The foundation that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory, and the number is 112. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to put 1 dollop of that on there and do 1/2 of my face. Then I'll get a second dollop and do the other half of my face. Foundation is on. Now I'm going to go in with concealer. The concealer that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York Cover Stick Concealer. The shade is Ivory and the number is 2OS701. I'm just going to take that stick. I'm going to put a little bit on my chin, on the tip of my nose, a little bit down the bridge of my nose, around the side of my nose, underneath my eyes, a triangle on the forehead, and on any blemishes that I may have on my face that I would like to cover up. Once I have done that, you're just going to take your beauty blender and blend that all in. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with the powder. The powder that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York Matte Mattifying Powder. I'm just going to take a powder brush, which is a bigger brush. I'm going to take some of that and I'm going to put it all over my face. Powder is on. The next thing I'm going to do is do my bronzer and contour. I'm going to use the Nude by Nature Minerals Bronzer. I'm going to take my powder brush that I just had and I'm going to put that on the cheekbone, the side of the face, the forehead and the jawline. And with the contour, I'm going to take a smaller, roundish, slanted brush. I'm just going to take that one and I'm going to put it down the sides of my nose and at the tip of my nose. If you are using this specific bronzer, you do not need a lot because it is very pigmented. Once I have done all that, I'm just going to take my powder brush and I'm just going to blend and soften out my nose with it. And now I'm going to go in with some blush. The blush that I'm using today is the Essence Silky Touch Blush. I'm just going to take my blush brush. I'm going to take a little bit of that and in circular motions from the fullest part of your cheek, I'm just going to do circular motions up to where my ear is. Blush is on. Now I'm going to go in with highlighter. The highlighter that I'm using today is the Nutrimetics Marbleyes Highlighter. I'm just going to take my blush brush that I just used. I'm going to take a little bit of that highlighter and put it just above where I just put the blush. Then I'm going to take a small slanted blending brush and I'm going to put the highlighter on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, underneath my eyebrows and along the cupid's bow. Now it is time for that smoky eye look. The palette that I'm going to be using today is the Revolution Makeup London palette. The palette is called Iconic Fever, and I'm going to take this, a small eye blending brush. I'm going to take the dark brown that is at the end here. I'm going to take that dark brown and I'm just going to pat it on the outside of my eyelid and then going a little bit inwards. And then in circular motions, I'm going to soften that out. Once that is done, I'm going to take a flattened eye brush, and I'm just going to take the gold that is at the top here, and I'm going to put that from the inside of the eye to where we meet the dark brown. Once that is done, I'm going to take my blending brush that I just had, and I'm just going to blend between the gold and the brown. That is done, I'm still going to take my blending brush and I'm going to take the light brown color that is at the top here, and I'm just going to put that above everything to soften it out. Once that is done, I'm going to take a small slanted brush and I'm going to take the dark brown that we just used, and I'm going to put that underneath the eye like eyeliner. Once you have put that on there like so, you are going to take a small blending brush and you're just going to soften that out by blending it. Once you have done that, you're going to take your small slanted brush again and you're going to get that gold and you're going to put it in the middle part of your eye. Once you have finished that, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do my eyebrows with this Beauty Works eyebrow pencil in brown, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows off camera. My eyebrow is done. Now I'm going to go in with mascara. The mascara that I'm using today is the Sax Studio Mascara in black, and I'm just going to put that on my eye as you would. Now it is time for lipstick. The lipstick that I'm using today is the Maybelline New York lipstick in the shade Mocha Ice, and the number is G280, and the lipstick is a nice purple to a dark brown color, and I'm just going to put that on my lips. I just did the other side off camera, and that is the completed look. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments if you want me to do any more videos. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Hope you guys enjoy your day or night wherever you are, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.